Hello, how are you? We have to find the value of a. 2 raised to the power a plus 2 raised to the power minus a is equal to 8. Multiplying by 2 raised to the power a on both sides. Therefore, 2 raised to the power a into 2 raised to the power a plus 2 raised to the power a into 2 raised to the power minus a is equal to 8 into 2 raised to the power a. Now this 2 raised to the power a plus 2 raised to the power a minus a is equal to 8 into 2 raised to the power a. Here 2 raised to the power 2a plus 2 raised to the power 0 minus 8 into 2 raised to the power a is equal to 0. Now by rearranging 2 raised to the power a whole square minus 8 2 raised to the power a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now putting 2 raised to the power a is equal to t. 2 t square minus 8 t plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we use quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 1. Now t is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here t is equal to minus 8 plus minus under root minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1 over 2. Now t is equal to minus plus 8 plus minus under root 64 minus 4 over 2. Now this is equal to t is equal to eight plus minus under root 60 over 2, and t is equal to 8 plus minus under root 4 into 15 over 2. t is equal to 8 plus minus 2 under root 15. Square root of 4 is equal to 2 over 2. Now t is equal to 2 common 4 plus minus under root 15 over 2. This 2 are cancelled. Now it is equal to t is equal to 4 plus minus under root 15. Now here 2a is equal to t. Therefore 2a is equal to 4 plus minus under root 15. Here 2a1 is equal to 4 plus under root 15. Taking log on both sides. Now log 2a1 is equal to log 4 plus under root 15. Here a1 log 2 is equal to log 4 plus under root 15, and a1 is equal to log 4 plus under root 15 over log 2. This can be written as a1 is equal to log 4 plus under root 15 base 2. Now 2a2 is equal to 4 minus under root 15. Taking log on both sides. Log 2a2 is equal to log 4 minus under root 15. a2 log 2 is equal to log 4 minus under root 15. a2 is equal to log 4 minus under root 15 over log 2. This can be written as a2 is equal to log 4 minus under root 15 base 2. Thanks.